This 5-minute solution will show you how to update iOS 17.2 update on iPhone. Go to your iPhone settings, tap on software update available, or you can tap on general and tap on software update, and here you will get the iOS 17.0 update. Tap on update now, or you can update tonight by tapping on update tonight. So I'm going to updating now. Now enter here your iPhone passcode. And as you can see, I've successfully updated the iOS 17.2 update. So that's how you can do it. If you find this video helpful, don't forget to subscribe 5 minute solution. See you in the next video.